Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on Battery. After you click on Battery, click on Battery Health. After you click on Battery Health, turn on Fast Charging button. After turn on Fast Charging button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so check phone charging. After check phone charging, you will see your problem is not solved and again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.